All right, guys, it's Monty from i5 Dodge in Chehalis, going over some features again of the Uconnect systems. We're in a Dodge Ram right now, so we have the navigation system and the travel link, which is what we're talking about today. Well, you're going to go to movie listings. It's going to get you within about a 30-mile range of all the cinemas in your area. So let's just say we're going to go to Midway. It's going to tell you that there are a few movies playing. It's going to give you the times that they're playing. You can also hit your info. It'll go over the actors, what's in the movie, what the rating is, in case you want to stay away from the R rating or whatever. That's where you would find that. You can go right there, hit your info on all of them, and again, the same thing. Tell you what time the movie's playing and when to show up and get your tickets and watch a movie. It's another cool feature.